Designing and managing integrated marketing channels. Designing and managing integrated marketing channels is a critical aspect of modern marketing. It's about creating a seamless and consistent customer experience across all the various ways a customer interacts with your brand. What are integrated marketing channels?
Integrated marketing channels involve coordinating all of a company's marketing communication tools and avenues to deliver a clear, consistent, and compelling message. This means ensuring that your brand's voice, visuals, and messaging are aligned across all platforms, whether it's your website, social media, email, or physical storefront.
Why is integration important?
Enhanced customer experience. Consistent messaging builds trust and familiarity, leading to a more positive customer experience. Increased brand awareness. Reinforcing your brand message across multiple channels increases visibility and recognition. Improved marketing effectiveness. Integrated campaigns tend to be more effective than fragmented efforts, as they create a synergistic effect. Greater efficiency. Coordinating marketing efforts can streamline processes and reduce duplication, saving time and resources.
Key components of integrated marketing channels.
Consistent messaging. Ensure that your brand's core message is consistent across all channels. Unified visuals. Maintain a consistent visual identity, including logos, colors, and design elements. Seamless customer journey. Create a smooth and consistent experience for customers as they move between channels. Data-driven approach. Use data analytics to track performance and optimize your channel strategy.
Common marketing channels to integrate.
Digital channels, website, social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Email marketing, search engine optimization (SEO). Pay-per-click PPC advertising. Traditional channels, television, radio. Print advertising, direct mail, physical storefronts, public relations. Key steps to designing and managing integrated marketing channels. Define your target audience. Understand who your customers are and where they spend their time. Set clear marketing objectives. Determine what you want to achieve with your marketing efforts. Develop a consistent brand message. Craft a clear and compelling message that resonates with your target audience. Choose the right channels. Select the channels that are most effective for reaching your target audience. Create a content strategy. Develop a plan for creating and distributing valuable content across all channels. Monitor and analyze performance. Track key metrics to measure the effectiveness of your integrated marketing efforts. By implementing a well-designed and managed integrated marketing channel strategy, businesses can create a powerful and cohesive brand experience that drives results.